When it comes time for leaf loading, maximize your efforts with the DL series of truck loaders from Billy Goat Industries. With a full range of products from entry-level 12 and 13 horsepower units, all the way through the new 35 horsepower units, Billy Goat offers a solution for any size user. To maximize your loads and minimize your dump runs, the DL series of truck loaders feature the ultimate in shredding technology by combining the proprietary Piranha blade with our proven armor-plated serrated impeller. As more and more landscapers take on the responsibility for residential and commercial leaf and property disposal, Billy Goat's Piranha blade and shredding impeller technology allows contractors to shred and load leaves across multiple properties and minimize costly dumping fees. Take advantage of this ongoing industry trend and grow your business in leaf removal as more and more communities look to reduce waste and extend the life of their solid waste landfill resources. In fact, more and more trash haulers today are simply prohibited from accepting yard waste for disposal in solid waste landfills, which results in contractors doing the removal and promoting yard waste facilities and composting instead. As you consider this trend in your market, step up to the power of a Billy Goat loader with a Piranha blade and shredding impeller to work for you. And the Billy Goat DL Series loader features a host of custom fit solutions to fit the unit to your truck or trailer. In particular, the base units can be skid mounted to a trailer or truck, or they can be customized with optional tailgate hangers that can be purchased, allowing the unit to hang on the tailgate. A swing-away hitch is also a mounting option, allowing the unit to be mounted to a standard 3-point hitch behind the truck and swung out of the way when dumping. For our larger DL25 and DL35 series, an optional DOT highway-approved trailer is available. Lastly, the DL series features both vertical and horizontal extensions, so you can create a custom discharge fit no matter what truck or trailer combination. Remember, when it's time to clean up in all seasons with Billy Goat, a full line of property cleanup solutions.